You have watched in the beginning is from a school in Punjab. Parents are basically protesting against the fee submission asked by the school as per the norms. But parents are saying no school, no fees. But I think online classes are going on and they do work for classes 5th and higher. But we can understand that the kids below this age cannot get sufficient knowledge from the online classes. So the parents are protesting because they are not getting all the things as the fee structure, for example the equipments or the refreshments, even they are not getting enough of the knowledge from online classes. For the schools who are asking for the tuition fees as well as the equipment fees or the refreshment fees, of course there is a reason to protest. As per the government instructions, no school can charge other fees rather than the tuition fees. So for all the schools who are charging only the tuition fees, let's see a bigger picture. अरे ये वाला पिक्चर नहीं यार. There is this uninterrupted dissemination of educational services provided by our brilliant teachers despite waiting for their dues, so their sacrifices along with the non-teaching staff is worth appreciating. There is approximately 5 crore teaching and non-teaching staff in over 2 lakh schools in India, hoping that the parents along with the government will come forward in the time of crisis so that their salaries can be paid. For funds cannot be entirely kept for providing the salary to the teaching and non-teaching staff because right now we do not know that for how much time the schools shall be kept on hold. Of course we understand that people are not getting enough salary and many have been dismissed from their jobs, but if we'll do this no school no fees system, same will happen in the school. However, the rise in the fees is not appreciated and is unbearable. But this complete no school no fee system just blew my mind. In the current situation, we need to think as a society, not only as a parent. Also, you can see a lot of social distancing here. So the various optimistic ways can be: number 1, maintaining social distance. Number 2, protesting correctly so that both the sides can land on a common base fees. Think about the society as a whole and not only as a parent. Number 4, there is a great idea provided by India Today to the government to provide interest-free loan to the parents as well as the schools.
जो माफ करना मैं इधर उस समय इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ.
The whole purpose of this video is not to tell parents to sit back home and not to fight for what is happening wrong, but to fight for what should be right. For example, there can be a decrease of fees up to 40 to 50% so that the teachers and other workers can also get the enough pay. So it's good to stand for yourself, but you should stand for others too. Bye bye.